Assalamu alaikum. I'm Riyaz Ahmed. Once again, welcome to this. The class is for in previous lecture what I discussed with you people. The first 8 lines is for the octave. The poem Carrion Comfort by G.M. Hopkins, and now I will go to the last 6 lines. The sestet is for just revising the first 8 lines. That what I discussed with you people is for in the first 4 lines what the situation was. He was in intense, or this was in the depth of despair or hopelessness, is for what forcing him to commit suicide, but what is for how he just win over, how he fought with determination and resolution, and this what in the end what he win over the despair or hopelessness. And then what in the last 4 lines is for of the octave, then what he complained that how far he was crushed, how this what he was treated roughly or badly by God, and is for all this. Now this what we find is what in the line number 9, and this what something special is there. The altar, this what the turn is for the tone of the speaker. This what totally changed one in the first 8 lines. That's what we see as for all hopelessness and despair, and what the resolution or determination or firm belief on the part of speaker. And then what he just stays for, it may be what is for he's frustrated, or what we do find the tone of anger is for what he's complaining all about his condition. And now what we do find something joyful, something what a matter of happiness for speaker. And now let us come to the last 6 lines is for why that my chef might fly, my green lie, sheer and clear, nay, in all that toil, that coil, I kissed the rod, hand rather my hair low, lapped strength, stole joy, would laugh, cheer. So what says for language is a bit of difficult one or complicated one, is for what there is what we do find something inner conflict inside the speaker. Why that my chef, this what is for the tone of the speaker is now something what the matter of satisfaction or happiness for the speaker is all over there, which come out of that very despair and hopelessness. What he was for crushed, or this was treated so much roughly, and now no more the situation is, no more the condition is. And what it now in this first 3 lines what he says, why that my chef might fly, my grain lie. Oh, this what the change occurs in the tone of speaker, and this what we find something with feeling of joy or happiness. What he compares himself to a stalk of wheat, is for when is what the metaphor is that he compares himself to a stalk of wheat. And what he says, when the wind blows violently, flying this what chaff from grain, ऐसे जैसे हवा तेजी से चलती है, और तेजी से चलकर जब वो बिल्कुल जो गंदम के ऊपर के जो गन वगैरह होते हैं उसको उड़ा के ले जाता है, और सिर्फ वो गंदम रह जाता है. ये यहाँ पर अगर हम कहें तो this what the surface meaning is, but what the hidden meaning is, it means that all this what is for the despair, the hopelessness, what something what a heavy blow for him, and what exposing his weaknesses, exposing him to the this what is for to hopelessness and to despair, and exposing him to death. But now all is over in this process, is forward in the process of despair, in the process of hopelessness. The poet, what's something is for a sort of satisfaction for speaker is for the poet is that all in this, nay, in all that toil, that coil. Toil means this what work extremely hard. Toil means when you work so much, this what with so much enthusiastic, or this what it means extremely hard work. Coil means this what twisting or rolling. So here it means, nay, in all that toil, no doubt. what I have been crushed, no doubt. I have been under the this what intense or the depth of despair and hopelessness, no doubt. What I have been treated so much roughly or badly, but now it's all over. It's all over. I just come over this what of that very condition and situation. Nay, nay, me not. In all that toil, it was something very hard working process for him. Toil, very much hard working. This was extremely exhausting for him when he just was in that very condition. This was the mental pain, and this what he was. This what he suffered a lot, and he was under the this what under the foot of despair or hopelessness. So now all is clear. All that toil, all that coil. It means all in. He suffered a lot. He was all in trouble, in despair, and now what seems I kissed the rod. In that very process is for what a matter of satisfaction for speaker is that now I kissed the rod hand, rather. What this what the rod? The rod it means that what he in that very process, what he kissed the hand that God what holding the rod with, and it means that what he just coming closer to God in that very process. It was just a sort of punishment for him, a sort of punishment for him by the God. And this what it seems that what the imagery is, that the God holding in his hand the stick. And but what he says that I kissed the rod, I kissed the rod. It means that in this very process I come closer to God. It was some this was a sort of connection for him. So no doubt this was very extremely hard work for him. No doubt this was something very crushing for him. But in all that period is for what I was crushed. I suffered a lot. I was in depth of despair. But now it is all over, and now it is something a blessing for me. What we do say, blessing in disguise. Blessing in disguise for me. It was something for his own good, and what the despair leads him closer to God. It means kiss the rod. It means what he come closer to God. It means what now more connection with God, and what gaining is strength. It means rather my heart low, I lived strength. Lived means to cover, to overtake the strength. Stole joy, would laugh, cheer. What all these words, especially what these words, strength, stole joy, laugh, cheer. All these words were positive adjectives, and what it shows that what now the poet is all satisfied. He is now what as far as feelings are, is happy, and what he feels joy and some sort of satisfaction. What we do find, no doubt it was a real test for him, a real test for him, a trial for him, and but all it was for his own good. It was something what blessing in disguise, no doubt. It was something a sort of purification, or what I would say that it is what to clean him of sins or something. What it is of his weaknesses. Now come to the last three lines. Yes, for it is cheer whom thou, the hero whose heaven handling flung me foot trod. Me or me that fought him? For which one? Is it each one? That night, that year, of now one darkness I wrestling with my God, my God. The last three lines is for the sestet, cheer whom thou. What it means, he is now overjoyed, and what he says now, the question is, who is to be congratulated? Who is to be congratulated? The hero whose heaven handing flung me, it may be. The hero is, the God is the hero. It may be what handling flung me. Flung, it means just throw me forcefully. So it may be what the God is the hero. So what I may congratulate him. God, you are the hero. This is what is for. Or me. It may be, no, this is what God is not the hero. Or me that fought him. I am the hero. Because what I fought till to the end. What I just fought with determination and resolution and with firm belief. So it may be I am the hero. No, God is not the hero. I am the hero. It may be what he questions is for. It may be what my resistance, what my resolution, what my determination leads me to defeat the despair, not to commit suicide. I fought till to the loss for survival, and it may be I am the this which I am the hero. In the last 3 lines, now what is for the speaker is it each one? Is it each one? It but now the speaker says that we both are the heroes. We both are the heroes. Myself is for my determination, my resolution, and the God also. We both are the heroes. We both are the heroes. So this is what the credit goes both to the speaker and to the God. So is for now all is over, but he still remembers what has been done to him, what has been happened to him, still remembers. That night, that year, of now one darkness, I lay wrestling with my God. I will never forget what I have been suffered, what I have been for crushed, and what I have been treated so badly, so roughly. I will never forget. It is what something, what all a miserable condition for me, a situation for me. In the end, this what he says. These words, night that year, what all full of pain, mental pain, all full of despair and hopelessness. Night that year, this what each and every night, what he still remembers, that very period he still remembers, what all full of all these miseries of despair and hopelessness, he will never forget. What he says that all that we repeat, I wrestle with God. This was something a fight with God, wrestling with God. This is what the word is, wrestling with God. But what he said, my God, is for what it shows the respect or honor to Almighty God. That thou I fought with God. It was something what a sort of wrestling, but he is my God. It means it shows what he pays. Love, respect, this what connection to God. This what is for the last 6 lines, and what we just going through this whole textual life. That what the turn is, what the old is, what the change of tone on the part of speaker is, all satisfaction, what he feels is for, he is now satisfied, all that the punishment, all that what he has been suffered for his own good, and now he is satisfied. What the end is, that is now what now he is closer to God. It is what something what a channel for him. So thank you very much.